Hello everyone, welcome back to Codisha Training Center. In this video, we will learn about the custom iterator. So, Salesforce recently released Winter 25. In that, introducing a new feature that is custom iterator. Okay. So, in this video, we will learn about this custom iterator. Okay. So, let's dig into the video. So first of all, using the iteratable interface instead of traditional for loops in Apex offers several benefits. Okay, and customization of iteration logic. Uh, the iteratable interface allows you to define custom iteration logic. Okay, so we have to create the custom iteration logic. Okay, and we can control how the collection is traversed, which is especially useful for complex data structures or when filtering data or transforming data during the iteration. Okay, so and coming to the next, flexibility for large data sets. Okay, so iteratable is useful when working with lazy loading or paginated data. So instead of loading all items into the memory, iteratable can fetch items one at a time, reducing memory usage. Okay, and for example, iterating over large data written by a circle query with the iteratable can avoid the if size elements. Okay, so and coming to the next one, see here the for loop versus iterator interface. So coming to the for loop, it iterates over each element in a collection sequentially, and next one, we cannot skip or customize the iteration directly. Okay. So if we need to skip in using the for loop, we need to write the additional logic. Okay. Within the loop. Okay. And coming to the iterator interface, it gives full control over how elements are accessed and traversed. Okay. And in this interface, we can skip elements, reverse order, or apply any other custom logic during the iterator. Okay. So if we need to anything, we can customize it in that iterator interface. Okay. But in that for loop, we cannot do that one. Okay. We cannot do that one directly. We can do some other way. Okay. And coming to the using the custom iterator. To use custom iterator, you must create an Apex class and that implements the iterator interface. Okay. So and note point that in all methods in iterator interface must declared as global or public access specifier. Okay. So, and coming to the next one, the iterator interface has the following instance methods. Number one is as next method, and number two is next method. Okay. So, see here the methods description. Uh, as next, it is returns boolean true or false. Uh, if it returns true if there another item in that collections being transferred. Okay, or if we don't have anything in that elements or values, it will returns the false. Okay, and coming to the next method, it will returns the all data types. Okay, string or integer or anything other. So it returns the next item in the collection. Okay, if you have one or two more values, so it will return the one by one. Okay, so see here the code snippet about the custom iterator. So now we have to implement this code for practical. So open the your Salesforce account and open the developer console to write the Apex class. The network is slow. Open the developer console. So in this, first of all, create the Apex class name, whatever you need. But I taken the, for example, I taken the example contact. Okay. So open the developer console. So first of all, create Apex class with name whatever it is. So I create con iterator. Okay. So this is our Apex class. Okay. And in this class, we have to what we need to implement the uh, iterator, right? So see here the implements the iterator interface, right? So I'm iterating the implements the iterator with data type. So we are writing for this iterator context, right? So I'm implementing and write the contact. Okay. See iterator. So I'm done, right? So next what we have to do is see here in this method, we have to we have to write the as next method and next method. Okay. So first of all, first of all, I retrieve the data from the contact. Okay. So I list contact. So here the contacts equal to new. Sorry, we are getting data, right? So we can write query in this ID contact, right? Contact object. So from the contact object, which fields we need ID and the first name and the last name, right? So next, we are private integer current index equal to 0. Okay. And next, uh, we are retrieving the values right from the contact. So we need to check if we have get anything values, it will return the some values. If we don't have anything, then we need to show the some message like see here the first of all we have write the constructor public con iterator. Okay. So inside the constructor we are write the we are check the iterating the data. Is it there or not? Is it values there or not? Okay. So this one is collection, right? So we need check in this values if is it shows message like system dot debug print the values. Okay, so processing the contacts. Contacts. So we are fetching one by one. Iterator dot next. So let's check execute this video if it is have or not inside the elements. Okay. So here the we need to implement the ID. Okay. Check whether it is have or not values inside the list collections. So see here the we have values, right? So let's check using the we are implement here ID, right? So we are write different one different field. Have test. Okay. So what we need records from the contact must we need in that last name have test value. Okay. So check now what it returns. So now executing that one. Click on the execute. Let's check the debug values which is have or not. So here the no have values in the contact collection, right? So okay. So this is the custom iterator. So here the code snippet about the custom iterator. Okay. Uh, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you find some message about the iterator from this video. So if you have any queries, please contact us. Thank you everyone.